Hi everyone, my name is Olayinks. I'm going to be showing you 3 ways that you can improve your productivity and find the keyboard shortcuts in Teams. The first way is by clicking on your lovely face and scrolling down to keyboard shortcuts. It's as simple as that. That's the first way. Now, depending on if you have a Mac or if you have a Windows PC, your commands and your shortcuts will differ. I have a Mac, so a lot of my commands are around the command and the option button. Now, for those of you that don't know, the option button is the Alt button. The second way of bringing up the keyboard shortcuts is by pressing Command full stop. That's if you have a Mac. But if you do not have a Mac, it would be Control full stop. This would open up the keyboard shortcuts. The third and final way would be to type /keys. As you can see there, the keyboard shortcuts are on our screen once again. If you want me to go into a bit more detail as to what these commands can do and how you can really manipulate Teams in seconds, please make sure you hit subscribe and watch out for future videos.